on, guys? Back with a follow-up video to my last video on the Stainless Works long tube headers. Just got them installed a few days ago. Overall installation went as expected. No problems. Just time consuming. Some of the hardware is a bit difficult to get to. It's pretty tight quarters, but with the right tools I had no problems. Did it on jack stands right here in my garage. I did have to modify the H-pipe as expected. I took a few inches off of it in total. I had to cut off the 2.5 inch reducers and an additional, I think, 1.5 inches or something on the other end. But once I got it shortened up, it slipped right on. The cross section on the H pipe there that joins the two pipes there, I think that actually ended up moving back. Well, it was about 3 inches or so. So I mean, not anything too drastic there. You know, no drastic change to the to position or anything like that of the H pipe. It got offset a little bit more towards the rear, but it's pretty close to the location it was with the factory manifolds. So but yeah, I'm gonna take you guys out. We'll do some pulls, get some sound clips here. It's a beast. I really love the sound of it. So let's go out and take a listen. Take it out. We'll keep the windows up for a second here. We'll do some pulls with the windows up, and I'm gonna roll them down and we'll do some pulls then too. Now I've already gotten this thing dyno. Well, I tuned. I did an email tune. One of the local dyno shops around here sent me the tune. I basically right now have the Roush Intake stainless work long tubes and AWE catback touring edition there. So eventually I'll get it put on a dyno. We'll do some dyno pulls maybe when somebody's doing a dyno day or whatnot. I'll get a couple pulls in on that. All right, just some regular mild shifts here. Shifts about, that was 3,500 right there. Let it warm up a little bit. But man, I'll tell you what, this thing, when you get on it, it wakes right up. can't even hear it when you're just cruising along. I mean, this is 5th gear and I'm doing 55 miles an hour. And it's just got a light rumble to it. Totally tolerable. I mean, I'll put it down in the 6 right now. I mean, just to, now it's just got a little thump to it. But real quiet. You can hold a conversation, no problem. So that's 6th gear. Back into 5th. All right. So we'll do a couple pulls here. Should be nice and warmed up now. That's what the window is up. Put the window down. All right, we're 45, 4th gear. I mean, this thing is gonna wake right up though. We'll do a couple of pulls here. I mean, I was going right to red line there on those last pulls with the window up. So we'll try and get a straight shot here. But I love the sound of it, man. I mean, it's not too overwhelming, man. I think it's. I'm actually really surprised that the sound that's actually produced from this touring exhaust. I mean, these long tubes definitely, made a big difference, though. I mean, as far as the sound, definitely performance. I mean, I can feel it when I put the tune on. It definitely feels a lot crisper. The responsiveness is way better. Let's see, we'll try and see if we can do a pull here with the window down. Yeah, it just feels so much better. Got the window down. We're going to do just some mild driving here now. Mild shifts here. I mean, shifting about 3,000 RPMs. 3rd gear right now, doing 40 miles an hour. 40 in 4th gear right now. I mean, got a nice little rumble to it, but when you want it loud, you can make it loud. And I'll do it right now. 4th gear, 40 miles an hour. Give me 1 second here. I'll do a pull right from 4th. Get on the straight here. Full throttle, 4th gear, 40 miles an hour. That was 4,000 RPMs. I mean, once you get up into the RPMs a little bit, that's where she starts to really sing. And she sings beautifully. That's it in a nutshell. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice clean setup, this is it. Like I said earlier, this is it's got the performance or the aftermarket connect leads on it. These are the longer leads. They're 6-inch, so with some a little bit of cutting on your H pipe or your X pipe if you're running an X pipe. These things will bolt right on. I chose to go with the longer ones just because if I had, I'd rather take material away than to add it. So yeah, but just lobbed off a couple inches and everything fit right together. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.